Hello friends, in this video we are trying to talk about most important FSSAI guideline for FBO, in which the guideline is there. First important one, that is the duties under section number 26 of Food Safety Standard Act 2006. When we are talking about section 26, so it is specifically talking about responsibility of FBO. What are the key guidelines he should obey, he should follow as per the Food Safety Standard Act 2006 from section 26 onwards. Actually, section 26 is specifically considered in chapter number 6 of the Food Safety Standard Act, and when we talking about the same, there could be certain set of points which could be considered under the overview. Most importantly, first point, comprehensive legislation. So as per the specific rules and regulation, it is mandatory requirement that he is responsible for whatever product he is prepared, whatever product he is handled, the specific requirement of the premise of the location where the commodity could be handled. Second one, the commodity. The commodity which could be prepared by our FBO, most importantly, it should protect the people. It should not cause any harm to the health of the consumer. So that's why it is too much important to protect the consumer's protection. That's why we could say two words. It should be safe. We know the word safe, as well as it should have the intactness with concern to the content, with concern to the sensory attributes. Both words comes under wholesomeness of the product to promote the safety practices for the food commodity. And third one, regulatory frameworks. As per the regulatory framework, it is too much important to follow the specific framework by which we are able to mandate the food safety practices, and most importantly, along with that, we are there to clear about all the set of standards which are required to maintain the duties of the food safety standard, with an overview from the same concern. Apart from that, some of the specific duties. Now these duties under the purview of section 26, in which most importantly, food safety and quality. The FBO, we could say the food product which is offered by the FBO should have proper set of quality, quantity, purity, potency, all four parameters with proper concern. So definitely it is helpful to maintain the basic health of a consumer. Most importantly, hygienic maintenance. This maintenance is a premise based maintenance. It is the location bank thing. And when we say location, so at our location, the way by which we handle the commodity, this is most important. And for that, proper set of practices are required to maintain the hygienic way. The next one could be the control measure. When we are following the commodity with a practices, we require to control the thing. If any deviation in the quality, we have to control it with certain implementation factors. That's why it is too much important to maintain all the control measure from our food supply chain. That's why it is again too much important. Then some of the compliance rules. When we say compliance, it is nothing but the way by which we adhere the practices of the food safety standard, or as per the FSSAI guidelines, what are the main important parameter we have to purview, we have to adhere. Licensing requirement. This is most important requirement. We could say this is mandatory one. According to section 63, a business without license liable to punishment. So we must have either license or registration. That is most important requirement. It could be a legal important term. Then food safety records. Always we have to maintain different set of records. Maybe the water records, testing records, all records should be kept in that manner. Followed by that, regulatory knowledge. When we are talking about the licensing one, previously the punishment could be up to 1 lakh. Now there is updates in the punishment where license or registration could not be there for the business. And currently the punishment is from 1 lakh moved to 10 lakh. That is the update in the knowledge. What could be the practices which are there on the labeling things, on the regulatory things, all the things must be known from the update point of view, and definitely these are most important with concern to section 26. Okay,